What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you the best settings for Mobile Legends to fix lag and improve your performance to get the best gaming experience for iOS and Android devices. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. I will set these settings for low to mid-end devices. If you are using a newer high-end mobile device, then feel free to change these settings to your liking. In your basic settings, make sure to disable the HD mode, which will increase your overall performance and fix lag, as high-definition textures will not be used while in-game. You should also disable shadows to keep a better frame rate. For colorblind users, make sure to enable the colorblind filter. Below, change your refresh rate setting to high. This will make the game look smoother if your device supports high refresh rates. The graphics setting should be set according to your device performance. Low-end devices should simply set this to smooth. I am using an iPhone 11 Pro Max, so I will set this to medium. When tapping on Network Test, you can test your current network connection. This will allow you to see your router delay and other metrics. In the Performance Test section, tap on Performance Test. This will take a second to test your device's performance, which is a good indicator on how you should set your graphics setting. In your update setting, you can set the auto update option to Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular, which will use your cellular connection to download new patches in advance. Below, enable or disable background downloads. This will depend on your usual bandwidth and if you want to use up your network connection while the game is running in the background. When this is done, navigate to your Network Settings tab. Here, make sure to enable the speed mode if you experience low connection speeds while playing the game. This might use up more of your network connection. Below, you should only enable the network boost setting if you experience lag, a high latency or packet loss while playing Mobile Legends on your device. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.